Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, February the 16th, 2022. We have here three regular Sudokus, the binary, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. And in this daily newspaper, there's also an additional with 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. So 3 puzzles in the additional and 3 regular Sudokus. Together, total of 6 I will do. And yeah, I've heard on Wednesday, they want to start a war in Ukraine with the States and the Russians. So, will there be a war? I do not know. I do not know. We will see. We will see tomorrow if there is a war coming. All right. Let me start with this binary puzzle. And this binary puzzle will be number 4133. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That means 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. We have here 1 2 3 4 4 O's. Well, the 5th O should be right there in the middle, because if I place the O here or there, if I place the O here, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allow one of the rules. If I place here the 3, cannot, because we have a double O there. So the O should be here right in the middle. So the rest of the numbers, rest of the boxes should be a 1. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. A double O, here 1, there 1. A double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. And then, let me scan. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place, I can place everywhere here. That's the difficulty here. Okay. Between 2 ones comes an O. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Same story for here, the O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. I do not know where the O and a 1 should be. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and a fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. Am I stuck? I do not know. 1 2 3. Where is the opening? 1 2 3 4. Yeah. Overlook something. 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 1 2 3 4. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay. Well, we have here 1 2 3 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5, the 5th one here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. If I place number 5, the fifth O, there, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed for one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. And here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So this is the first one, the second one, third one, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So this box cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same story. Between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and the fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay. Yeah. Here, same story. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. So those 2 boxes should be an O. 1, 2, 3. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Well, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Here we have 4 ones in this column. If I place the fifth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Finishing 9 minutes. Alright. I like this one, yes. No comparing, but at a certain point, you need to think hard. Yeah, think logical. Alright, if you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. It will be a medium Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.